How to fix Instagram feed not showing new post. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can fix if our Instagram feed is not showing us the newest post. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If your Instagram feed or For You page or anything as such is not showing you the latest post from the people that you follow, what are the things that we can do? So first of all, it could be that you've already caught up with all of the posts that other people have posted. You don't have much following. So if you don't have much following, you'll have lesser feeds to see from, right? But if you have got quite a handy amount of following, now what we can also do is we can try to refresh it a couple of times to see all of the new posts. And if you want to find exclusively from the people we follow, from the top left of the Instagram logo, you can see the navigation menu or the drop down menu. Tap on it and you can see following and favorites. Go to the option called following, and when you do that, you will see all the latest posts from your following. So whatever they have posted, you'll actually be able to find them right over here. And this is one of the ways to do it. But if you're talking about on this search page, then this is basically just recommendations based on whatever it is that you're watching or doing on Instagram. So that's all for this video. I hope the video helped you. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.